If you're looking to automate ad management, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it with Vendasta, a powerful tool that simplifies the entire process. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to streamline your ad management from start to finish with the software. Plus, I've got a special bonus for you at the end of the video. Now, before we dive into how to automate your ad management, let me quickly explain what Vendasta is. It's an all in one platform that helps businesses streamline their digital marketing processes. Whether you're running ads for your own company or managing them for clients, Vendasta brings everything into one convenient place, so you're not wasting time on repetitive tasks. And here's the best part. You can get started with Vendasta for free through the link below, where we've arranged some exclusive bonuses just for you. The first thing you need to know about Vendasta is how it automates campaign management. Setting up and managing ad campaigns can be time-consuming, but Vendasta lets you automate everything from ad creation to placement. You can set up ads, schedule them, and have them run automatically without the need for constant monitoring. This is a game changer for anyone managing multiple campaigns at once. Next thing, let's talk about reporting. One of the key features of Vendasta is its advanced analytics. With this software, you get detailed insights into how your ads are performing, so you can see what's working and what's not. The platform provides real-time data, which helps you make informed decisions without spending hours pulling reports from different places. The third thing is Vendasta's integration capabilities. This platform integrates seamlessly with other tools and software, so you don't have to worry about switching between platforms to manage ads. Whether you're using Google Ads, Facebook, or other platforms, Vendasta keeps all your ads in one central hub, making it super easy to manage. The fourth thing I want to highlight is the ease of use. Vendasta was designed with simplicity in mind, so even if you're not a tech expert, you'll be able to automate your ad management with ease. The interface is intuitive and the setup process is straightforward, so you can start automating right away. Finally, let's talk about the support you'll get. If you run into any issues while automating your ads, Vendasta offers excellent customer support to ensure you're not stuck. They have a dedicated support team that can help with everything from troubleshooting to setup advice. Now, here's the thing you want to stick around for. If you're interested in trying Vendasta, you can sign up using the first link below to get started with an exclusive and extended free trial. That's right, you can automate your ad management for free, and we've made sure you get some extra bonuses when you sign up through our link. So, there you have it. Vendasta makes automating your ad management a breeze. If you're looking to save time, optimize your campaigns, and get real-time insights, this is the tool you need. Don't forget to click the link in the description to start your free trial with exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!